Hi everybody, and welcome to Little B. My name is Lily, and today we are going to show you how to build a gift basket. We're so close to Valentine's, and we went with a pink theme, and we're calling it Tickle Me Pink. So just the basket and some few items that we grabbed from Target, and our blanket from Little B shop. It's called Adventure Weights. So let me put this stuff aside so we could start with the blanket, and let me open this up for you guys. So all our family Mexican blankets are hand woven, and we hand screen the inspirational saying, and this one says Adventure Weights, and it's a nice size. Let me open this up for you guys so you can see more of the pattern, and it's much bigger than you're seeing here. I'm not going to open it fully, but it's a really nice color combo of the pink and gray color. And what's great about these blankets is they're great for outdoor and indoor. I take mine everywhere for soccer practice, soccer games, the beach, and it's a great summer blanket or year-round blanket that you can use for picnics. But what's also great about this blanket, it's great for indoors. You could use it to cover your sofa or your bed. So here it is, folded up, Adventure Weights. The next one is this candle from Target, and it's from the Opal House. And it smells delicious, really nice. It's a soy candle, and it's called Pink Magnolia, and it's really nice. You could put this on. It smells really good, and you could use this while you cuddle. Here's the basket where we're gonna put, and what I love about this basket, it's a nice size. Here is a book called Love, and what's great about this book, it's all these poems by William Shakespeare and other people, and it's just a nice little read for Valentine's or for any time when you're in the mood for love. It's a nice leather bound, so this one's nice. And we also have a coffee cup. Hello, gorgeous. And just to have some tea and coffee. And the next item is the nail polish. And what's nice about the nail polish, it's a light pink color and it's nude, and it's called Maintenance. And so here's the basket we're going to use to build this whole gift basket together. So here's some tissue that we could stuff, and you could buy a tissue at the Dollar Tree store, the 99-cent store. And so here we are, we're going to start crumbling it up. And what I want to do is just build some depth so we could add the blanket in and all the other items. And you can use white or pink, but I'm just using nude because I want to keep it simple. And so here, let me line up all the items. And here we are. We're going to start building our basket. So here we're going to fold the blanket up so we could show the saying. And I'm just going to fold it this way and roll it up so it could be nicely put into the basket. And then from there, I'm going to grab the book because it's really cute. And then here is the candle. So we're just going to keep on putting paper and just build more and more of this. And I'm just trying to stack it so it could look nice. And that's what a gift basket is about. Just adding and layering items and adding more stuff. So the last item we're going to put is the nail polish. Okay, let's put that in. All right. So there you go. Here is the basket. Great for Valentine's gift. Very simple, all pink and all about love. And thank you so much, you guys, for coming in and listening. The blanket, again, you can find it Little B Shop under Family Mexican Blanket, and all the other items are from Target. So thank you again for coming and listening, and can't wait